Hello guys, myself Vedikshit and I am here to present my new website Growbis, which is brought to existence for helping businesses with most of their complex business tasks at one place. It has three sections: businesses, investors, and service providers. As you can see, we will go on seeing one by one all the sections and all its features. For using it as a business, you have to first register as a new business and then log in with your new account. So let's see the business dashboard. Here you can see on the right side there is revenue, expenses and profit on your quarter and also your recent activities. While on the left side there is feature button where you can see all the features listed of this app. Let's see all the features of this website one by one, starting from inventory and billing. So here in inventory and billing management, you can see your inventory and stock alerts. Also you can add products, generate bills by filling the forms and see the reports of your inventory generated by artificial intelligence. Towards our next feature, which is HR tools. So here in the HR tools, you can see the employees. Also you can add new employees by filling the form here, their appraisals, attendance, work reports. Also you can see the analytics, all generated by artificial intelligence. So let's move towards our next feature, project manager. So here in the project manager, you can see your projects, add new projects. You can see your project details by clicking here. It will take a bit of time and then you can see your project details. Yeah, it is here. Also you can update your project details and add your team members to the project. Also you can see the Janet chart of your projects individually. Now let's move towards our next feature, document generator. Here in the document generator, you can see different templates for document generation. You can generate different documents, different types of documents. Also there is document library in which your previous documents are stored. Also there is an AI assistant from which you can ask questions about your document generation. Now let's move towards our next feature, market analysis tool. So here in the market analysis tool, you can analyze any industry of your choice from this tab and see its detailed results. Also you can see the trends going on in the market. You can see the competitor benchmark or set your competitor for viewing its news. You can also view market forecasting. Now let's move towards our next feature, Market Doubt AI Assistant. So here is the Market Doubt Assistant, which will assist the business owners with general market queries. So now let's move on to our next feature, which is Investor and Agent Dashboard. So here is the Investor and Agent Dashboard, in which you can add new investors according to your business needs. You can see your portfolio and the deal flow, all generated by artificial intelligence. Now let's move towards our next feature, which is government and private schemes. In the government and private schemes and news alerts, you can see all the schemes and also you can share your schemes to all other businesses and see the news alerts related to your business. Now let's move towards our next feature, which is Opportunity Director. So in the Opportunity Director, you can see business leads and add new business leads. You can view grants and you can add new grants. Also you can see the competitions and add new competitions. Now let's move towards our next feature, voice navigation. So with the help of voice navigation, you can run entire website with your voice. So let's move towards our next feature, which is pitching helper. So here is the pitching helper, in which you can generate text for your pitch deck. Also you can generate funding scripts and prepare for follow-up question using our investor prep. Let's move towards our next section of features, which is strategy generator. So here in the strategy generator, you can fill the form and get the best strategy playbook for your business needs. You can download it and use it. You can also see its preview here. So let's move towards our next feature, which is hiring helper. So here in the hiring helper, you can post your job openings, generate your job description using JD generator. Also, you can see the onboarding toolkit for helping you in your hiring process. So let's now move towards our next feature, which is text and GST filling. So here in text and GST filling, you can check your text records and edit new text record, calculate GST using GST calculator, and also check your past text using filling status. Now let's move towards our next feature, which is IPO and cap management. So here in the IPO and capital table management, you can add your IPO. Also, you can see the capital table. Also, you can see the investor relations. Now let's move towards our next feature, which is legal, CA and insurance marketplace. So here you can add your legal providers, chartered accountants, insurance provider. Also you can find the new one in the website. So let's move towards our next feature, which is enterprise intelligence dashboard. So here is the enterprise intelligence dashboard, in which you can see your financial performance, you can see your operational metrics, also project progress. Also you can generate custom reports on the basis of your work, and you can download it. So let's move towards our next feature, which is AI market forecasting. Here in the AI market forecasting, you can see the market trend analysis of various industries with various features. So let's see it. Also, you can see the predictive insights too. So let's now move towards our final feature, messaging. So here in the messaging, you can connect directly with the businesses, investors and service providers. Here is the example for you. So this is all about Growbis. Thank you.